Hey guys, today I want to show you how to restore the old YouTube design. Just go to the homepage of YouTube and then we need to go into the developer options. We can do that by pressing F12, like this, and then we're gonna be here. Now up in this menu right here we need to go to application, then we need to go to cookies, select the YouTube cookie, and we need to modify the value of the pref part. Therefore, we are going to use this value right here. This is going to be in the description as well. I'm going to copy it, and to change the value we're going to double click it, delete it, and paste the new one. Just going to press enter to put it in, and now we can reload the page. And we're going to have the new YouTube design. Isn't that great? And it's permanent unless you delete cookies or like reinstall Chrome or something like that. And right, if you want to have the new design, you can always go to youtube.com/new, and that's going to give you the new design. Thanks for watching.